Hello, this is Patrick Barnard. It is April 14th, 2022. Here I am in a Montreal park, a little tiny book review. I've been reading Mutual Aid by Peter Kropotkin, the gentle, kind anarchist prince who was also a revolutionary. He wrote that book over 100 years ago, just a bit more, and his story is an interesting one. I was drawn to Kropotkin now because I've been reading Suzanne Simard's book, Finding the Mother Tree, which is all about how trees in a forest all cooperate with each other and with other species, and how a forest is really a community. Well, Peter Kropotkin was one of the fathers of what's called mutualism, the doctrine in ecology that organisms, under certain circumstances, work with each other in a very complex kind of network. Kropotkin's scientific work has been, I think, forgotten because of his importance politically. He's a very, very famous European anarchist. He would have hated Putin's war in Russia. He was against violence. He was a very developed man. And in his youth, he spent 4 years in Siberia. And what he noticed there was that social animals tended to cooperate with each other, that they worked through mutual aid. And so he developed a theory of society, a very well-developed one, showing that mutual aid, cooperation, sympathy, solidarity was a very strong current that worked all the way through nature and into human history itself. He noticed a very important part of Darwin in The Descent of Man, one of Darwin's later books, which emphasized the importance of sympathy among social animals. And Kropotkin said that was the key, in fact, to human history, what he called mutual aid.